Hey, yo, what's up, guys?
Did you say hello?
So just a quick update on the portfolio. So we had a pretty good run today. The portfolio is up now, almost break even. So we have $4,996. Still deep in the red, $33. I'll just show you we had some great momentum. Looking at a couple of days trades. As you can see, we have set some stop losses on several Tesla positions that we have had some nice gains on, and the total realized P&L is now plus $14.53.
That's pretty dope.
And that is because of these positions that have been closed the past couple of days, today and yesterday. Bought at 184, sold at 192, then 183, sold at 199. So that's very, very nice. TGS had a nice run. They had a good earnings call, was yesterday. And you see the stock popped up over 3% yesterday. And they gapped up today and trended upward nicely the whole day and ended on a 6% gain today. So I really hope that we will have some momentum now, maybe get some resistance around 110, hopefully break that level, and then march up to close this gap right here and test this 131 level. So that's what I'm hoping for now. Also, Tesla has had a nice run lately, especially yesterday. Over 6% return there. Positive return yesterday. And today it is trending a little choppy sideways. I hope that we'll also close this gap right here. That's around 206, 207. So that is still a little bit upside there of about 3%. I can imagine we will have some resistance there, but hopefully we can break through and catch those other resistance levels. And if we're lucky, we might get back to this price target. But I doubt we get this high as of now. It was very bad numbers today, actually from the US. Yes, we got the PPI numbers, came in a lot stronger than expected. So the consensus you can see was like 0.1% for the core PPI month over month, came in at 0.5. So that's extremely high reading, and it's the highest we've had since what is this, like in July last year. And the PPI is producer price index.
It's really hard to tell.
Thank you.
So this will just like filter through what the producers need to purchase their input materials for. And if that price increases, then they will also have to mark up the end price to the customers. So eventually it will go into the CPI numbers. So when this number is very high, that means that the Fed needs to, at least they can't take the foot off the brake. Just maybe they need to have the rates remain higher for longer. That's probably what will happen now. At least these PPI numbers, it's no good news for the market as of now. Just looking at the watch list now, I have these 3 companies that I will buy on Monday. Even if it trends sideways, I will purchase this Sainsbury. And the reason is that it has it's oversold on the RSI. It has had this found bottom and then trended upwards. And you can see that it had it opened higher than yesterday's close and have had positive days the last 3 days. So that's good. Also UPM, it's a Finnish company, oversold, have now found some momentum. Had a green day yesterday and also gapped up today. So that is a strong momentum. So we'll buy this. In case if it just gaps down, then we'll have to see. But at least I think I will buy this as well. And also H&M. Open up higher than yesterday's close and have had trended sideways for a week or two, and then now it is catching momentum. So we can have a look at, for example, UPM. So that's a Finnish paper and biomaterials company. Looking at the financials, you can see that trends nicely upwards on both revenue and net income. The balance sheet is healthy. The cash flow is a little bit weak, to be honest. They have had some negative cash flows for investing purposes. You can see the investing here. 879 million in 2020, over a billion in 2021, and also in 2022. Trailing 12 months, that is basically 2020, most of 2023, also invests heavily. But at least a good thing is that now they have huge positive cash flows from a strong operating performance. Yeah, it's not exactly what we'll see, so maybe I'll just add a small position, either 20 or 40 dollars due to this cash flow situation. Yeah, and I can also see if we can find PM here. And now we are in eToro, looking at the analyst consensus here. Yeah, he recently downgraded it to a hold, price target 32. So that's up there. So if we can maybe close this gap or this pick right here, then we still have a nice potential upside of, let's say 10% gain. So yeah, so then was Sainsbury. How do you Sainsbury? Yeah, so that's a UK grocery chain, founded in 1869. Wow, that's a long time ago. Yeah, stable and growing revenue. Net income is barely positive. Balance sheets, they have a healthy balance sheet. Low debt to asset ratio. Stable, very stable. And they generate positive cash flows. Just add a $40 position maybe, and just also set tight stop losses to chase or lock in gains if the stock price increases. So looking also at analyst consensus in eToro. So it's one analyst says buy, while the other one says sell.
Dude, what the fuck is that?
They both have a good performance or track record, almost 5 stars on both of them. Price ranges from 340 to 236. That ratio is very, very good. I don't think we get this high now because of this horrible market environment, especially in the UK. Had a little position, try at least to reach this 200 moving average. 7% upside, just set tight stop losses going from there. Hopefully maybe can eventually close this gap and reach maybe this previous high from January 8th. That would be a nice 20% upside. Lastly, H&M. Yeah, stable and growing revenue, also positive net income. And they generate positive free cash flow, also positive cash flow from operating business, but it's trending a little bit down. So that is not that good, but you can see that they have a lot of free cash flow generated, and wow, no one is following this company. You go to Yahoo Finance, you see here, yes, that's a hold, average price target 161. Yeah, so that's nice potential upside here of about $13. I think we'll meet some resistance there. Maybe eventually we'll close this gap right here, but let's be realistic. Maybe 10% upside gain here, and that's good enough for me.
7 hours later.
Just lastly, I've set some trailing stop losses on these trades right here. So that's the 3 positions in TGS. Stop loss at 103.10, so that's an 8.8% gain that I have secured already. That's how I do it now. I am a little bit cautious, so here I locked in a 6% gain, and then the last position here, I locked in a 5.6% gain. And also JD, I have locked in a gain here of 3.76. Yeah, we might get stopped out on Monday, but that's okay, because we want to protect our gains. Yeah. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much, and have a nice weekend, and catch you next week. Do you feel me?